second movement class that we're going to do has to do with time. So in music and dance, some movements are fast, some movements are slow. Okay, and they don't always maintain the same tempo. So what I would like you to do as partners is one of you is going to be a child. You're going to wind up the other person who is a toy. And the toy functions by being wound up. And you can use the wind up crank anywhere you feel. Maybe it's the back, maybe it's the head, maybe it's on the stomach, maybe it's under the armpit, okay, wherever you choose to. Okay, when the toy is fully wound up, you spring to life. And you have all this energy. And I want you to move around quickly, 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 and little by little, the spring is losing its impetus, and you're going to slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, and either stop or fall. Okay, so who would like to be the child, and who would like to be the wind-up toy?
Do you want me to be the toy?
And then you'll switch roles. Okay. So again, music is primarily background, but I think you'll find that it's fun to do. Here we go. Let's talk about Laura the toy first. So I'm going to ask you as an observer, okay, what worked and then what didn't work in what she did. All right, I know you're friends, but you'll be on that, okay?
I think most of it was pretty good. It's hard to like slow down when the beat is that fast.
Right.
So that was kind of awkward, but it was good.
Okay, so that's what worked. Anything that didn't work, anything that in some way wasn't convincing or believable.
Some of like the turns and stuff, like when it seemed like a toy.
Okay. As the toy, okay, what do you feel worked and what do you feel didn't work?
Same thing, kind of like, I didn't, like, just the beats in the background were a little awkward, so like, it was hard for me to just like slow down and stop.
Yeah.
But, and like the turns were kind of awkward, but everything else like seemed kind of good, yes.
Okay, so I'm going to add my own comments. What worked for me was that you started out as very simple. You started out on the floor with walking steps, and pretty soon you were in releve steps, okay, and you were speeding up, and then you were in jeté steps, so not only were you going faster, but you were also changing levels, okay? And so I love that. My critique was that when you started, that's when you have the most momentum to me. That's when you wound up the most. So I would almost have wanted to see you take off, okay, and actually go from the fastest to the slowest, rather than get faster, 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 and then get slower. And I definitely saw the progression to where you're building up, and then you stopped. I didn't see all those incremental steps for you to come down, okay? So now what you remember that Jenna did. What worked, what didn't work.
The whole thing was good. She started slower
Right.
and then stopped, so like you kind of said about me, just like start faster. Is that would kind of seem more like a toy, but everything else like works just like a toy.
Okay, and was there anything that didn't make it or wasn't convincing?
I thought everything was fine.
Okay, as the toy itself, what worked for you and what didn't work?
I think the music was kind of really, the beat was a little slow to make movements that quickly, so it was kind of hard to figure out what to do.
Okay. What I liked about what you did, and what I liked about it had to be in contrast to what you did. You both started kind of low, and then you went into more complicated steps. I like the fact that you also did a lot of arms. And you have all this arm stuff going. That also added another facet, but the same thing. It was kind of you're up, you stopped. Okay, and I wanted to sort of see you slow down,